Have you ever noticed how some people completely drain your energy while others seem to radiate a refreshing sense of peace? The truth is, we are all connected by an invisible network of energies, which affects every interaction we have. But are we truly aware of this spiritual influence in our lives? What if you could protect yourself from negative vibrations without having to isolate yourself? The good news is that there are powerful ways to keep your energy protected while staying in tune with the world around you. In this video, we'll explore how spirituality, psychology, and powerful practices can transform the way you deal with external and internal influences. So, watch this video until the end, because it could be a real turning point in your spiritual life. Before we begin, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, or simply like the video. Liking takes less than a second, but helps us continue bringing serious spiritual content to the spiritualist community. Plus, your like helps this video reach other people, just as it reached you. Now that you've liked it, let's get straight to the point. The first step is to understand that we are constantly emitting and absorbing energies, attracting influences that match our vibrational pattern. Emotions such as fear and anger lower our frequency, making us more susceptible to negative influences. On the other hand, feelings like love and gratitude raise our vibration, naturally shielding us from these interferences. Collective thought exerts an invisible force on the individual psyche. The beliefs and values of a society subtly shape our thoughts and emotions, influencing our daily decisions without us even realizing it. These influences can be beneficial or limiting, depending on the quality of the ideas surrounding us. By cultivating conscious thinking aligned with higher principles, we can free ourselves from the pressure of the collective unconscious and embark on a more authentic path of self-discovery. But how can we identify and neutralize negative influences without isolating ourselves from the world? The first step is careful observation. How do you feel after certain encounters or situations? The second step is to establish energetic boundaries by practicing self-awareness and strengthening your vibration with healthy habits such as prayer, meditation, herbal baths, and other energetic practices. If you are unfamiliar with any of these, don't worry, because we will teach you some of them by the end. After all, it's not about escaping external influences, but about building such a solid inner foundation that no negative energy can shake it. The truth is, in such a hectic world where we are constantly bombarded with information and interactions, we often neglect something essential: our energy. But what happens when we ignore its impact on our lives? How does it reflect on our emotions and decisions? Energy balance is fundamental to our overall health. It involves not just the physical body, but also the subtle bodies, which are invisible to the naked eye, but have immense power over our lives. When our energy is unbalanced, whether due to stress, negativity, or external influences, we become more prone to illness, uncontrolled emotions, and impulsive decisions. The most surprising thing is that many people don't even realize they are living in an energetically unbalanced way. They get used to constant fatigue, emotional ups and downs, and even toxic relationships, without understanding that all of this is a reflection of the lack of energetic harmony. Most human suffering could be avoided with awareness and care for the energy that flows within us. Now imagine that by focusing on restoring your energy balance, you could change your perception of life and achieve a lasting state of peace. What if, with simple daily practices like meditation or breathing techniques, you could filter external energies and increase your personal vibration? The impact would be transformative. The question is, are you ready to stop neglecting your energy and start taking care of your center? Or will you continue to be carried away by the chaos the world imposes? Energy balance is not a luxury. It is a necessity for living fully. As promised, now let's talk about energy protection. Energy protection is not just an esoteric practice, but a real necessity to maintain balance in a world full of external influences. There are powerful practices to strengthen the energy field and preserve emotional balance. One very powerful technique is visualizing a golden light shield that surrounds your entire being, forming a protective barrier that repels negative energies. The golden light, associated with spiritual wisdom, strengthens your energy field, keeping it immune to external influences. Another tip is to close your energy circuit. Whenever you are talking to extremely negative people, discreetly clasp one hand into the other. This will help break some of the natural absorption of energies. If you still feel tired afterward, go barefoot and imagine the negative, dense energy leaving your feet into the ground. This technique is called grounding. It can also be done in the shower. As the water falls, imagine all the dense energies being cleansed from your aura and going straight down the drain. These are just a few of the many techniques you can incorporate into your daily routine. If you want to learn more about these techniques and integrate them into your daily life more consistently, we recommend that you join the Rosicrucian Order. Simply visit their website, pay a registration fee, and apply for membership. We will discuss the Rosicrucian Order further in a future video. Rosicrucian meditation and visualization techniques help elevate our personal vibration. And what if, in addition to protection, these practices also helped you achieve such a deep state of balance that your mind became unshakable, regardless of circumstances? That is true energetic freedom. The power to maintain your elevated vibration is in your hands. Don't neglect it. The power to maintain your elevated vibration is in your hands. Don't neglect it. What we're discussing here is not just about momentary protection or balance. We're talking about a path to a more harmonious life where your energy is your ally, not your enemy. Imagine living with an unshakable mind, connected with your essence, and capable of transforming any challenge into an opportunity for spiritual growth. This is possible, and it's within your reach. Now share this video with someone you know who needs it, or in spiritual groups you are part of. Let's spread this awareness about energy balance together. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content. See you in the next video. Peace profound.